Samruddh Bharat Technologies is establishing itself as a pioneer and a leader in servicing the government services and public sector in India for their digital transformation projects. How have you evolved your company's services and solutions to suit the needs of this specific segment?
Last almost 2 decades, every industry in India, including the government sector, especially after our Honorable PM, Mr. Narendra Modi, took over the office, started a digital revolution and started adopting digital solutions for various services that government entities offers to the public and their internal purposes as well. But after working closely in the business applications industry and then analyzing the government industry, we realized that there is a huge gap and huge, incompatible systems are there in terms of in terms of capturing day-to-day activities or providing services to the government, whether you go to electricity department or public works department just to report a pothole in the road which you are traveling or commuting every day. There are incompatible systems. So we decided to turn our focus from the normal business applications for other industries towards the government institutions. Eventually, we have built up solutions for law enforcement, police departments, and various other government agencies, now which will go live slowly across the multiple states.
What were the key priorities that led you to choose Google Cloud, and how has this choice led you in more success in your mission at Samruddh Bharat Technologies?
Actually, when you work with the government agencies, the most important aspect is to have a data localization. And with Google Cloud, we have 2 data centers, which is located in Mumbai, followed by the Delhi region. That's number one aspect. Number two is the tools which Google Cloud is offering to the developers and companies, SaaS companies or application development companies like us. The modern tools in terms of large data handling, such as managed SQL services, then BigQuery, then Cloud Spanner. And if you go on a code side, this Cloud Run and all these things are very helpful in terms of scaling the application. We don't have to worry about scaling and keeping an eye on the application that it is catering all the requests or no, because all these kind of things are being taken care by Google's managed services as well as the security part. So we don't have to invest our energy and time into all these things. Instead, we can invest that time in betterment of our applications and client service. So that's the reason we chose Google Cloud.
What are some of the key business benefits that you've been able to derive since you've adopted Google Cloud?
The benefits are tremendous. The first benefit is comparatively other cloud providers, Google is much cheaper. If I just talk specifically about port 53 queries, which we talk about networking queries or DNS queries, if I pay, I used to pay for example, if I used to pay 100 rupees to a X service provider, for those same amount of queries, I used to pay around 60-65 rupees to Google Cloud. So comparatively, pricing wise, also Google Cloud is very affordable and reasonable. And the billing transparency is there. I have never seen any cloud provider which is recommending that, oh, you have, one fine day you'll get a notification that, oh, you have allocated a higher resources in terms of like memory or CPU credits and all, and you are not utilizing that, consider reducing it. So this is kind of something which Google Cloud offers to the clients, and this is very transparent and very encouraging.
We value our partners a lot in Google Cloud, and you've worked with one of our key partners, Niveus. Can you talk to us about your experience of partnering with them and collaborating with them while on your transformation journey with Google Cloud?
Niveus is having a team which is very responsive, ready to explore the new challenges, and ready to deep dive into new technologies which Google is releasing every month or every frequency in a time. Trusted advisors alongside with the cloud engineering team or cloud DevOps team, they also came handy as a trusted advisors as well, or consultants as well.
There are a lot of organizations just like yourselves who are still thinking and considering whether or not Google Cloud is the right choice for them? What would your advice be to them?
I'll advise every founder or decision maker who's hosting their application elsewhere to test the platform once. Security and all those parts are very great. It is affordable, it is reliable, and due to their data centers are in India, it is locally hosted, so latency is very low. So these are the plus points